Let's see how to use the Flutter development tools to create logs during runtime and view them. So as you can see right now, I have a very simple application, and it basically has a column, and within this column it has 3 buttons. 1, 2, 3 buttons, and whenever the user clicks on any of them, we use print to create an appropriate log. So I chose my web browser as the build target, but of course it would work the very same way if I chose a mobile device. Let's run our application. And here I can see my 3 buttons, and whenever I click on any of them, I get the message in the debug console. So this works fine, but we can do better. The debug console is a handy tool when starting development, but it's not that capable. Moreover, if we hover over any of the calls to print, we can see that the Flutter environment itself asks us to not use print in production code. That's where the Flutter DevTools come into play. So first, I replace all of the calls to print to debug print. And let's stop our application. And let me clear the contents of the debug console. And let's now restart the application. Let's now open the Visual Studio Code's command palette by pressing on Ctrl-Shift-P. And here I write Flutter. And among the options, you should be able to find Open DevTools. So let's choose it. And here we need to choose which page of the developer tools we want to open. In our case, we want the logging page. So I'll choose Open Logging Page. And here we got the logging page of the DevTools. And let me drag this page so it won't be so small and it will be easier to see. And if I now click on any of the buttons, we can see the messages appear here. The thing is that there are many other messages that we didn't generate ourselves, and they make it really hard to find our own logs. So what we can do is choose the filter over here, and we want to apply a kind filter, which is marked by K, and then colon, and then std out to only display logs that we generated ourselves. Let's apply the filter. And now we can see the logs that we generated, and if we keep clicking on the buttons, we can see them appended to the log view.